Visitors come to worship at Ise Jingu Shrine in central Japan's Mie Prefecture. The Shinto shrine, officially known as Jingu, is dedicated to Amaterasu Omikami, the mythical ancestral deity of Japan's imperial family. Jingu dates back some 2,000 years and is venerated as a guardian of Japan. Across two main shrines in Ise, Kotai Jingu, known as Naiku or the inner shrine, and Toyouke Dai Jingu or Geku, the outer shrine, Jingu's grounds cover an area roughly the size of central Paris. At both shrines, pathways sheltered by towering trees lead visitors into a world of calm and tranquility. But on this Saturday in June, the atmosphere on the streets approaching Jingu's outer shrine is vibrant and festive as thousands of local residents and worshippers from around Japan take part in the Okihiki, a festival over 550 years old leading up to the ritual dismantling and rebuilding of Ise Jingu's shrines and the relocation of its deities, which takes place every 20 years. During a series of processions, resident associations and groups made up of worshippers from across Japan parade sacred lumber that will be used to rebuild Jingu shrines. Participants wearing traditional happy coats grip long ropes, take the strain, and pull ceremonial carts carrying hinoki cypress logs to enthusiastic chants and verses of traditional work songs. This particular lumber is being taken to Geku, Jingu's outer shrine, which is dedicated to the goddess of food, clothing and housing. Nearing the end of the 2-kilometer parade route, groups pause before making the final pull to the entrance of the shrine grounds, sometimes in a dramatic charge. Advanced members of the party recoil the discarded rope. Around 58,000 participants joined Okihiki parades across May and June, helping to bring the sacred lumber to the outer shrine during what is a significant event for the city of Ise.
必ずこの祭りがある時はもう帰ってきて弾かせていただいてます。とにかく身近な存在であると同時に年を取るにつれてまた伊勢神宮のことを知るにつれてこんなにも全国の人たちから愛されている神社だったんだなっていうのはやっぱり自分が年を取るごとに重要性っていうものが分かってきてありがたい地域に住ませてもらっていたんだなっていうのを実感してます。
子供の時からは知ってたんですけどやっぱりあんまり興味がなかったんですけど自分がちょっと年取ってからこういう大事な行事に参加できるってことになって一度やっぱり20年に1回のことなんで参加してみようと思って参加して今回すごい良かったなって思いました。
Joining one of the groups taking part in the event was the governor of Mie Prefecture and the mayor of Ise.
新型コロナの本当に辛い時期がですね、我々観光地としては大変厳しい時期が続きましたので、本当にコロナが収束をして、我々たくさんの方がお越しをいただいているという気持ちがあります。でやはりこういった気持ちをですね、特に伊勢はテーマパークというわけではありませんので、神宮さんの気持ちを持っている方々にしっかりと応えていくことが、まずは大切だと思っております。
三重県はですね、残念ながらインバウンドの方々がまだそんなには多く来ていただいてないというところなんですが、今日は下空さんの処遇の参道を歩いてますと西洋の方がですね団体でおいでになっておられるのに遭遇をいたしました。そういった方々がこれから御遷宮のですね行事に合わせて、三重県の伊勢のですね精神性触れたいということでおいでになっていただけると期待をしております。
Around 360 logs will be hauled during Okihiki events taking place over 2 years. The parades are a rare chance for the public to actively take part in Ise Jingu's most important Shinto festival, the Shikinen Sengu, held every 20 years. Sometimes described as Japan's largest festival, during the Shikinen Sengu, Jingu's shrine buildings, decorative items, and other treasures are dismantled, rebuilt from scratch, and relocated to adjacent sites before the resident deities are transferred to the new buildings. The festival spans around 8 years and includes 33 accompanying ceremonies and events. Shikinen Sengu, which has remained largely unchanged since its inception over 1,300 years ago, is now gearing up for its 63rd edition, with the ceremonial transfer of the deities due to take place in 2033. Around 170 structures will be rebuilt as part of the current renewal, although only the 2 main halls and 14 auxiliary shrines are considered part of the Shikinen Sengu itself. Around 11,000 hinoki cypress trees will be needed for the rebuilding, according to the shrine. Sengukan, a museum about the Shikinen Sengu, opened near the entrance to the Geku Outer Shrine in 2012 during the period of the last Shikinen Sengu.
こちらは遷宮館という博物館です。この伊勢神宮では20年に一度神様のためのお住まい、神様のお道具の品々、これをすべて新しくお作り替えをする式年遷宮というお祭りが行われます。私たち日本の国で一番大きなお祭りなんですが、そのことを広く皆様にご紹介するための博物館です。
One of the main displays at the museum is a full-scale replica of one side of Geku's main hall.
こちらの模型が下空の正殿と呼ばれます建物を原寸大、同じ大きさで再現した模型になります。皆さんその大きさにびっくりされるんですが、何より注目されますのがこちらの光り輝く美しい飾りになります。末玉と申しまして、内宮と下空の正殿だけにしかない唯一色のついた飾りになります。ですからこの模型でしか見ることができないものです。皆さん率直に大きな宝石ですかと聞いていただけるんですけども、実はこちら金物です。銅板を丸く球体に打ち出していまして、中空洞なんですが、上に漆を塗り重ねています。ですから色はすべて漆に混ぜている絵の具の色の違いということになります。ここに式年遷宮の本質が隠されておりまして、実はこの建物の材料はすべて国産の素材で賄うことができたということです。こちらがもし大きな宝石だとすると、私たちの国土では取ることができませんので、ないものを力に任せて集めたんではなく、もともと持っている素材を組み合わせて、そして匠たちが作り上げてきたまさにものづくりの原点、それが長い歴史1300年間変わっていないということが言えるかと思います。
Sengukan also highlights the remaking of sacred garments and treasures for the deities and other items, all remade for Jingu's renewal, a staggering 1,576 items. This scale model shows a procession carrying the sacred garments and treasures as Jingu's deities are finally moved into their new sanctuaries. As well as educating visitors about the Shikinen Sengu, Sengukan has also helped to regenerate the town around Jingu's outer shrine. Around 2.7 million visitors came to the outer shrine in 2025. Around 5 kilometers south of the outer shrine, near the entrance to Jingu's Naiku inner shrine, the streets of Oharaimachi are busy with worshippers and visitors. It was during the Edo period that pilgrimages to Ise Jingu became popular among the Japanese public when they were known as Okagi Mairi, pilgrimages made possible through the kindness of others. Today, among the area's cafes and souvenir shops, visitors can try traditional foods and snacks originally served to travelling worshippers. Okage Yokucho, a collection of around 50 shops and restaurants, opened in 1993 during the 61st Shikinen Sengu and reflects the architectural styles of the late Edo and early Meiji periods. Among the stores, restaurant Fukusuke serves the local favourite Ise udon noodles, thick, soft flour noodles served in a broth made from dried bonito and kombu, or kelp. The noodles were often served as a quick and easy dish for pilgrims on their way to and from the shrine. Nearby is the main store of Akafuku, a confectioner originally established in Ise in the early 18th century as a tea house welcoming Jingu's pilgrims. At the main store, visitors and diners enjoy the confectioner's famous Akafuku mochi, pounded rice cake topped with sweet azuki red bean paste. The store's artisans shape each piece into 3 ridges to symbolize the clear waters of the Isuzu River which flow behind the store. Sacred lumber for the rebuilding and relocation of Jingu's inner shrine will be transported upstream on the Isuzu River to the sacred precincts during procession events starting in the summer. Dismantling and rebuilding work includes the 100-metre Uji Bridge spanning the Isuzu River. The bridge is said to mark the division between the material world of daily life and the world of the gods. Crossing from Oharai Machi, it is easy, once again, to feel the sharp contrast between the bustle of the town and the serenity of Jingu's precincts hidden among the trees. Naiku, the older of Jingu's 2 main shrines, is where Amaterasu Omikami was enshrined some 2,000 years ago. Deep within the grounds, the inner shrine's main sanctuary is where the deity resides for now. Worshippers climb steps, beyond the foot of which photography is forbidden, to the gate and offer their prayers. The adjacent ground lies empty, ready to receive Amaterasu Omikami for another 20 years in a rebuilt sanctuary at the conclusion of the Shikinen Sengu.